Now let's talk about where the training data comes from for these systems, because that matters a lot. Remember, we talked about foundation models, right? Well, this is where the rubber meets the road. The foundation model contains a specific set of training data that determines how the system performs. If the data is biased in any way, shape, or form, the system will mirror that bias. So on the left side of the screen, we have a list of common data sources. Most of them are reputable news sources like Huffington Post, The Guardian, Washington Examiner, Breitbart, Washington Times, National Review. But you can see a couple of them might be questionable sources of data like Reddit and Wikipedia. Would you stake your organization's entire reputation and legal standing on the advice and counsel you get from Reddit? Those are the types of risks that are involved here. Let me show you this other chart. We know that even some of the reputable news sources listed here can have certain political leanings. So in this study, the researchers tested the generative AI systems on political opinion questions to identify biases towards one party affiliation or the other. Lo and behold, each system did have a political leaning, and that is all because of the data the system was trained on. And this is just a political example. There are other examples with respect to biases towards gender, race, ethnicity, disability, and so on. So, my friends, the challenge we face today is that the developers don't always tell us what data was used to train their systems. And that means that we need to be aware of this as a potential risk area when using generative AI systems in general.